All right, so we are gearing up. This is going to be the first tree camping motopacking trip, excuse me, that I've taken on the KLR, and Samuel will be joining me on this one. We've got some hopefully an interesting location to go to, but yep. All right. Yep, you ready?
Yep.
Right, we are all kitted up. Gonna be going to a friend's house that I used to work for years ago. He's got a good bit of land and doesn't mind me using it, so we got an in and we're gonna use it. Driveway is going to be fun. That was a lot. Woo. You good? Yep. Woo. Here it is. All right. All good? Yeah. Sorry, that was rougher than I thought. You did good. Oh man, I forgot the hedge. Oh wait, no I didn't. Fanny pack. Ha. Yeah, that's right. Fanny pack. I am now. All right. We have found our tree and we are gonna go get our line set. All right. Here we go. You ready?
Yep.
Okay. Let's try right. Okay, uncoiled. It was pathetic. All right, here we go. Oh, that was close. I missed it. I missed it by like 2 inches.
Wow.
Here we go. Perfect. Well, maybe. That's where I wanted it, but not that far. All right, we are getting it pulled over. This one was pretty tough. Sometimes it's... All right, let me see it. Okay.
Okay, now we just gotta do one-arm pull-ups up there.
Exactly. All right. All right. No. I just swinged. I just went right into prickers. Ow. All right. No, not the prickers. This is a very technical, scientific endeavor. Try to skip that dead thing. There we go.
Quite entertaining.
Ha! Okay. Take a little breather here.
That tree's real tall. You're doing great, Jordan. Okay, so we're out here. That's a Jordanicus monkey. He's just doing his stuff. He doesn't know I'm here. I just have to hope he doesn't see me. Oh no, he saw me. What do I do? He's coming down. He's gonna get me. Oh no. I can't breathing. I can see him working something out. He's going up. I can't see him anymore. Oh, I see him now. Don't know what to do. I'm so scared. I'm shaking. No, no, that's his battle cry. Oh. I think he's lost interest. That is the Jordanicus monkey. Be brave, stay wild. I'll see you on the next adventure. Peace.
All right, so got that one up over there, that one up there. I'm gonna rope swing. All right, here it goes. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Nothing like a rope swing 100 feet up. Keep filming. Woo. Oh, this is so cool. All right. You ready to climb? Those are some awesome looking mushrooms. There, stranger.
Holy, he can talk. This day keeps on getting wilder and wilder. I know, he's cool.
Good.
Holy fuck, it's so high.
Indeed. It is. It's a whole other thing, isn't it?
Yep.
All right, so you just chill out there, and let me see. I'm gonna chill out. Alrighty. We are up in our spots. Yeah. And have a gorgeous view.
Oh yeah, there's a 90-foot drop. Man, really is impossible to capture like just how beautiful it is out here on there, right?
Yeah.
You get a pretty good idea of it, but I'm like looking over there and seeing all the trees in the distance, and like earlier it was even prettier, but
Yeah.
you know what, you probably can capture its beauty though. This sub sandwich.
That is a beautiful, beautiful sandwich.
Subscribe.
Oh my. Well, I made it through the night. We are both pretty tired. I didn't sleep a whole lot. I kind of drifted in and out a lot. How much did you sleep?
Maybe like 1-2 hours.
Yeah, that sounds about right. But holy moly, we have an absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous view that we woke up to, and just surrounded by nothing but beautiful green. It's so pretty.
I'm relieved the bugs went to bed with us last night.
Yeah, it got too cold for them. We both got eaten up by no-see-ums. I'm learning to sharpen knives, which is why my leg is shaven. Yeah, I've got bites all over the place. Sam's, let me see your leg. Man, you're tan. Look at your leg next to mine. I look like I'm so pasty. Well, we didn't coil our ropes up, so there won't be a rope toss, but there will be a sandwich bag toss, because I don't want to lug this down too. Here we go. Woohoo!
nothing but beauty around us, right? And the most beautiful thing of all, the Jordanicus monkey.
Alright, that is our campsite.
Yep.
Sam's about to get down and descend, and we will head back on the motorcycle.
Yeah, and ours is like 90 feet up in the air in a hammock in a sleeping bag. Listening to a little album of Minute Hour.
There you go. Good job. Alright, and just kind of let yourself fall into your harness, so your weight's on your harness, and then hold on to the hammock. And then using the hammock, you can let yourself ease down over to the main portion of the tree. There you go. Good job. Good job. Alright, now I'm gonna come over and show you how to get down. Hey Sam,
Huh?
put the rope to the right, remember? Loop it up over to the right, and then hold it down by your side with your other hand.
Like this?
Nope, right hand. There you go. Go ahead and get below that. Just let the rope slide through your hand. You don't really need to hold on to it, just to guide it, basically, is why you're holding it. There you go, that's good. Put your hand all the way down by your side. There you go. Good job. Alright, I'm gonna see if I can film this while I'm going down. I've got all of our gear hooked onto my back. I've got my fanny pack. I've got his rope tied onto my rope. So let's get going. Here we go. Woo! Okay, and woo! All right. Haven't done that one-handed in a while.